Wonder how to create sexual tension in your texts? I'll share 3 of my conversations where I do just that, so pay attention because instead of being left on red, your next match will be left satisfied in bed. I unwind by spooning Nutella. My dog Nutella does not give consent and you are hereby grounded. Go to my room. Is that supposed to be a punishment? If so, then yes sir. It is. You just need the address. And a glass of wine wouldn't sound bad. Address and wine? That's a big ask. Until when are you here? Already feeling overwhelmed by my demands? I'm studying here, so I'll be here for a while. Who am I to tell you how to build sexual tension? Well, my name is Louis Farfield's dating coach for over 10 years now, and I went from scrawny little World of Warcraft nerd to a guy that just constantly was dating the girls that he really likes. First, I'll show you how to introduce sexuality in the convo in a more safe way. If you want to try this, you don't want to get blocked straight away, so let's start with this, and then later we go on to the more advanced techniques. I'm weirdly attracted to men who look like they've never talked to a girl before. Me until I was 23. Sarah, are we both tourists in Oslo right now? Yes, but I'm about to leave. Where are you from? Belgium. God damn, Sarah, you didn't even get to experience my virgin game yet. Well, I've never been to Belgium and I'm in Europe for another month, so... Now imagine the same text without the self-deprecating humor. Damn, Sarah, you didn't get to experience my A+ game yet. Too cocky, too cocky. By using self-deprecating humor, you can get away with way more because you're not try-harding your way into her panties. Please stop thinking you need to be some sort of super alpha that never shows a shred of vulnerability and is cool all the fucking time. Crack a joke about having a small penis. Call yourself a virgin. Introduce yourself as a high-ranked player versus player World of Warcraft mega gladiator. Tell her you'll last a glorious 30 seconds in bed. And then she'll probably think that you're so sure about yourself that you can crack a joke about these type of things. And then you actually last 20 seconds in bed and joke's on her. Anyway, in this video I'm teaching you techniques. If you want straight up copy-pastable lines that always work, I'm giving you 10 of those lines for free. They always fucking work. Video description, check them out. Let's continue with a technique that moves the conversation from hey, until when are you here and how's your family to I want to whisper sexy words in your ears and be in bed with you. I mentioned a coincidence that this girl and I share and she goes, it actually is. And tomorrow is my HB. Happy birthday. Well, tomorrow at midnight. Also, my sister is named Barbara. Super uncommon name in Belgium too. Haha, I like that. Me too. What are you doing to make your B a H one? Things are getting pretty serious here. I'm going to be H when you're my B. Ooh, nice answer. I have so many questions. Shoot. First of all, what does a Belgian do in Norway? Visiting Oslo until the 24th. Mostly out of curiosity though. You can do and ask anything you want. I'm in bed watching Forrest Gump and talking to you and it's a cute combo. First, things are still innocent. We find a commonality. Her name has HB and then I'm like, whoa, it's gonna be my HB and my sister's name also has Barbara in it. That's a coincidence. Then we turn the innocent part into flirty. We're getting serious here. I'll be H when you're my B. It's nice to give her a little bit of a roller coaster of emotions. So we started with a simple commonality, then we amped it up with the flirting, and now we tone it down again with just some more logistics. Like, hey, I'm here until the 24th, I'm visiting the city. And after that, we create an atmosphere that is very exciting, getting a bit more sexual. We have the typing in between brackets, which you'll see more of soon. I'm in bed talking to you, cute combo. And by doing this, we hit multiple emotions. We go up and down, it's more unpredictable, it's fun for her. But also, you show that you're just a normal guy. You're not always going for that sexy, sexual stuff. You're also just not boring always on those lower vibes. You can do it all and she can come along. Woo! Well, thank you for that. That is really cute. Some Friday nights in are really the best Friday nights. Honestly, I almost never party. Me no likey. How come? At that time, I like cozy times and sports, and when I'm out, I feel like going home. Finally, a grown-up man. Reporting for duty. So, what kind of sports do you do? Boxing. You? I feel like we're whispering to each other, and I don't know why, but it feels slightly sexy. Impressive. Ballet, running, and tennis. So what happens here is a bit more advanced and it's more subtle, but I'll explain to you what's going on. I'm at home, it's a Friday night, but I'm not going out, and I'm mentioning that, and she's also not going out. We're staying in. Now we're only typing it between brackets, so that's a little inside joke between her and I, and she says that it feels like whispering. So we're both in bed and we're whispering, and I'm watching Forrest Gump, and she could imagine being there with me. And now it's this whole thing where you're kind of together but apart, very subtly brought into this texting conversation. This conversation went from normal, I would say innocent exchange of information, to sexual in a very, very subtle way. It's really played on a almost under the radar detail level, and that is exactly why it's so good. Other guys are making gross, direct sexual statements. Girls are fed up with that shit. It turns them off. You look like a creep. This is how it's done. If you want to learn how to do this, or pretty much anything else related to dating, if you have some questions, you're struggling with stuff, talk to me, talk to my head coach, book a call with us. It's completely free. I want to look at your situation and help you get the girls that you really like. Video description. I'd love to talk to you. See you in the next one.